Hi everyone, welcome back to Saitech Hub. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download all your data from Google using Google Takeout. Super fast and easy way. Let's dive right in. It's a free service by Google that lets you export all your data like your Gmail, photos, Drive files, YouTube history and download it safely to your device. And you can export this directly to your device and download to any hard disk. Okay, first step 1. Open the Google and search for Google Takeout. And click on the first website you see on the screen. After opening this page, you can see everything is selected. First deselect everything because you have to export only Google Photos. If you export only Google Photos, your 90% of your Google space will be free. So scroll down until you find the Google Photos. Okay, now here you can see Google Photos, so select it and scroll down and press on the next step. And here you can see how you want to receive your copy of your photos or videos from Google Photos. I am selecting send download link through email and export once. Keep file type as zip file and file size as 2 GB, and if you can even keep 1 GB. If you keep 1 GB more more links will come, so minimum select 2 GB because it's fine, and 4 GB it will take more time, so I'm selecting here 2 GB and create export. Okay, now here you can see Google is creating a copy of data from Google Photos. This process can take a long time, possibly hours or days to complete. But the limit is only 15 GB, so it might come anytime. It may take half an hour, 1 hour, or even half day.
One day later.
Go to Google and search for mail and open it. Now go to updates and you can see here Google Takeout. We have received the link to download our Google Photos, a copy of our Google Photos. Last and final step we have to do is very simple. Just verify it's your device and you can click on download on individual links and it will go to download panel automatically, and you will be able to download it within 2-3 hours depending upon your network speed. And that's it. Super easy to back up your entire Google account. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.